Hi friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome logo in Inkscape. So guys, let's start. First, write text S and convert it to path. First you have to select font style according to your need. I think this is okay. Then again select this text and convert it to path. Ungroup it. After ungrouping, duplicate this text, change the color, enable the snapping tools and arrange these two objects like this. You have to arrange these object like this. Now select the black one and duplicate it. After duplicating, select these two and click on difference. Now select the red one and go to path and click on break apart. Now delete these unwanted object. Now select this one and modify by node edit tool. Now select the black one and click on raise to top. Now we have to edit it by node edit tool. Disable the snapping tools. Now select the black one and enable the snapping tool and drag a guideline middle to black text. This will automatic snap on middle if you are enabling snapping tool. Duplicate this one, change the color and select the red one, click on difference. Now select this one and black text and click on difference. Now select the black one and click on break apart. Now delete this object. Now select the black one and duplicate it, change the color and arrange like this, send it to bottom. Now create a rectangle. Go to path and click on object to path. Now we have to snap this object like this. Edit by node edit tool and snap these nodes like this. You have to must enable snapping object option. Snap the node. We have to snap all the node carefully. Now we can delete our guidelines. Select all these objects and duplicate it. Flip it horizontal and vertically. Now snap these objects like this. Now select black object and duplicate it. Change the color. Now select with this object and click on difference. Now select this one, duplicate it and select with blue and click on difference. Now select this object, click on duplicate and select with this and click on difference. Now select this object and duplicate it and select with this and click on difference. Now select only these two and click on union. Now select the blue one and click on break apart and delete this unwanted object. Now select these two objects and click on union. Now select this object and go to fill dialog box. Fill with gradient option. Edit the gradient option. Remove transparency and select this node. Change the color. Now select this node. Change the color. You can choose color according to your need. Now select this one. Again fill by gradient option. Now select these two. Change the color. Now select this one. Edit the gradient. Edit the gradient. So guys, we have completed the text design. Now create a circle, disable the snapping option and send it to bottom. Duplicate, sorry, reduce the size of circle and duplicate it. Change the color. Again reduce the newly created circle and select the both circle and send it to bottom. Now select the small circle and change the color. Guys, we have completed our logo. I know you can make better than me. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and thank you for watching my video.